Welcome back. So, like always, we've been keeping an eye on AIAgentStore.ai, looking for interesting new tools.
Yeah, always something popping up.
And today, something caught our eye. Amazon Bedrock AgentCore. We want to basically pull out the key bits for you so you can quickly get a sense of what it is and, what it can do.
Definitely. And Bedrock Agent Core is particularly interesting, I think, because it really feels like a serious push towards making these AI agents practical for, well, real-world business applications.
Right. It's not just experimental stuff. So the description Racine calls it a modular AWS platform, specifically for deploying, enhancing, and monitoring AI agents securely and, importantly, at scale.
Exactly.
And the target audience seems pretty clear. AI engineers, software devs, DevOps, data scientists, the technical crowd.
Precisely. And it's definitely more than just hitting a deploy button. It bundles together some really core capabilities you need for building smarter agents.
Okay, like what?
Well, you've got the runtime, which is for serverless tools, think scalable infrastructure without managing servers.
Then there's the browser.
Ah, the browser tool. That sounds intriguing.
It really is. It's for managed web automation. And this is key. It lets the agent interact with websites almost like a person would. Scrolling, hovering over elements, clicking buttons, filling out forms.
So much more natural interaction than just scraping data or basic API calls.
Exactly. It gives the agent a way to sort of navigate the complexities of modern web pages.
Yeah.
You also get a code interpreter for running code safely in a sandbox.
Okay, sandboxed execution. That's important for security.
Crucial. And finally, observability, which means you can actually trace what the agent is doing step by step, making debugging way easier.
Okay, that package makes sense. Now, something that jumped out was this claim, an 86% autonomy level. That sounds high. What does that actually mean in practice, especially with that browser tool you mentioned? Yeah, that 86% figure points to the agent's ability to operate quite independently. It means you can set up these agents using secure serverless tech, but critically, give them memory.
Memory, like remembering past interactions.
Yes, both short-term for the current conversation and long-term persistence. So the agent understands context over time, it learns, it adapts. It's not starting fresh every single time.
It's a big step up.
It really is. This autonomy, combined with tools like the browser, lets agents handle complex, multi-step tasks online with much less human hand-holding. They can connect to external APIs, use other AWS services, run custom code.
All while being monitored through that observability piece.
Exactly. You get transparency into why it made certain decisions. Plus, it's designed to be flexible. The sources say it supports pretty much any open source framework and any foundation model, whether it's one of Amazon's own or something external.
That flexibility is a huge plus, not being locked into one specific AI model.
Yeah.
What about getting started? Pricing, access.
Looks like it has a freemium model, which is great for trying it out. It is closed source, which might be a factor for some teams.
Yeah, pros and cons there. Any early feedback mentioned?
Just some general positive notes on AWS improving security by separating retail and AWS accounts, and that their support is usually helpful for issues. Standard AWS stuff, really, but relevant for enterprise adoption.
Okay, so wrapping it up, the main takeaway seems to be that Amazon Bedrock AgentCore is positioning itself as a serious, comprehensive platform for businesses wanting to build and run pretty autonomous AI agents securely.
Right. It's that integration, the tools, the memory, the monitoring, the security, the flexibility, all in one AWS package. It really makes you think about where automated workflows are heading, doesn't it? Agents becoming less like simple tools and more like integrated intelligence systems.
A glimpse into a more automated future, perhaps. Well, if this has piqued your interest, you can find more details over at AIAgentStore.ai. Explore it for yourself. And as always, we really appreciate you rating this session. Thanks for tuning in.